right? Now, talk about supply and demand once again really quick. Supply basically means selling off. Supply means, and let's think about what's going on in the markets right now in real world. There are a lot of businesses closing because of COVID-19. What it also means is supply and demand. Supply means we need to sell off our inventory because we don't have enough buyers to keep buying our products. There are people not going to the movies. There are people not going to eat as often. There are people not going into clothing stores. So stores are saying we have to close because we have all this inventory, all this supply, but not enough people coming in to buy, right? So that affects our currency. And when it affects our currency, guess what? There's a drop in our currency because not enough money is being spent in the market, right? So guess what? The same thing happens in Forex trading. If there are not enough people buying at a high price, at a particular price, there's not enough buyers, price will drop. We have to sell. You know what's the best confirmation I'm going to get this information from? The higher time frame. That's how I personally see it, right? Then let's talk about demand. Demand says, hey, let's think about online shopping right now. There are a lot of people going to shop online. There are a lot of people who are spending money shopping online, spending money buying clothes, buying food, buying what are they buying? Like hair products, buying cleaning products, buying masks, buying gloves. So there's a demand for certain things and people are willing to pay a particular amount to keep this stuff in stock. So demand means there's people willing to buy, so price is going to go up. Those businesses are going to flourish. It's the same as Forex. If people see that price is low enough or is at a good price where they can buy one currency over the other, price is going to push up. So that's demand. But let's say that we're working in a supply market where price just keeps dropping. Well, you guys, if I see a particular candle at a certain area and it's one of my 4 leading candles, remember I just need one, I am going to enter that information to sell, but I'm not going to enter on the monthly candle or a weekly candle. Instead, I'm going to use that information as data to find my next entry point. So that candle now becomes my structure.